Hello, my name is Jo and today I'm going to show you how to use the ribbon rewinder. This useful piece of kit can be used to rewind complete rolls of printed ribbon either directly from your ribbon printer or from roll to roll. The rewinder has an idler arm that can be positioned to rewind ribbon from either side of the unit, so the ribbon can rewind inside or outside. The idler arm automatically controls the speed and stop-start function. The coloured LED indicates the operational status of the rewinder. Supplied with the kit are 3 core sizes, 1 inch, 1.5 inch and 3 inch for a variety of roll widths. To load the rewinder, first remove the outer lock ring and stop plate. Then slide the empty receiving roll onto the spindle shaft. Replace the stop plate and outer lock ring to keep the roll in place. Attach the end of your ribbon to the receiving roll and under the idler arm. When this is raised at its highest point, turn on the power and an orange light will come on. This brings the rewinder into the motor fixed speed mode. Release the idler arm and the rewinder will start. To stop, switch off the power. The speed can be adjusted using the dial on the side of the unit. When printing direct from the printer, the idler arm will automatically match the speed of the printer. Each unit comes with an easy-to-use pictorial guide, and of course we're here to help. You can call us on 01527 877711 or email us at info@ribbonwriter.com. Thank you.